Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable voice-to-voice on ChatGPT on your iPhone. So once you have downloaded it on your App Store, you want to go ahead and open up the ChatGPT. After that, you will be redirected to this page. Now you can choose ChatGPT 4.0, 4, or 3.5. So choose whichever you want. It works with both. After that, you can go ahead and just write a message by voice. So by clicking on this button. But first of all, you will need to go ahead and access microphone settings. So click on settings here and enable the microphone for ChatGPT. Now, you can either write a message with this, and for example, as you can see, it just wrote, and now you will need to go ahead and click and send this message. Or you can go ahead and click on that headphone settings right there. And now it will connect to your voice-to-voice assistant. So please give me 10 food-related video ideas for TikTok.
Sure. Here are 10 food-related video ideas for TikTok. 1. A quick recipe for a trendy dish like dalgona coffee or cloud bread. 2. A what I eat in a day vlog. 3. Fun and easy snack ideas for kids. 4.
Now, as you can see, it talks, and now you just basically, you can exit it, and now you can read it now if you want to, but basically it can read it out loud to you. So that's it, basically. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.